repair truck, 95 pieces, and let's go ahead and open it up. Random piece, bag number 1, bag number 2, instruction 1, stickers, and that's all. Let's go ahead and open these up. Let's build this thing. Repair truck, and this can move up and down, and it spins, and the doors can open, and the guy can get in here and fix the light. The light goes up and down. Oh no! Let's just touch this. It's weakening me. You're my enemy. Oh, and he can hold the tools in his hands. And this means that there's an emergency over here. That's pretty much it. I hope you like it. Bye.